Hi, I'm Robert Painter, and today I want to talk to you about brain injuries and one specific tip on how you can avoid brain injuries from occurring during a hospitalization. Now, there are a lot of ways that we can actually injure our heads or experience a brain injury. It could be in a football game, getting a concussion. I've had clients that have fallen off horses. But something that I've seen happen with an increasing frequency over the last few years would be people who are patients in a hospital doing fine and recovering, but they end up having a brain injury because of the nursing and doctor care. And I want to tell you one specific way that you can help avoid that. Now, doctors and nurses have to take care of a lot of patients in the hospital, and they don't know all of them. And in particular, they don't know their specific baseline for how they normally behaved. But one of the things that we know as family members and friends is we know how our loved ones behave. So if we're there in the hospital, we can perceive much more quickly when there are subtle changes in our loved one's behavior. And those changes need to be communicated to the nurse so the nurse can make sure that the doctor gets in to evaluate them immediately. This is so important because study after study has shown that a change in mental status, that just means a change in the way a patient's behaving. It could just be that they're behaving a little weird. Can be the earliest indicator of a problem that could lead to neurological compromise or a brain injury. And when you're dealing with a brain injury, time is so utterly important. So what I recommend is if you have a loved one in the hospital, make sure that someone who knows them well is with them 24/7 and watching them. If there are even subtle changes that are uncharacteristic for that person's personality, make sure that you inform the nursing staff so the nurse can tell the doctor, and then the doctor can get in and work it up and figure out what's going on. This could literally be life and death, or it could save someone's brain from a serious permanent injury. If you've had an experience with a brain injury during a hospitalization, you need to speak with an attorney who handles medical malpractice cases. Under Texas law and in many other states, it's a real minefield to navigate these cases. You need someone who's experienced. We here at Painter Law Firm handle a lot of such cases, and you can reach us at 281-580-8800 or painterfirm.com.